Welcome back! I have my very own Gomu Gomu no Mi Devil Fruit. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I put this quick print together. I picked up this file from Yosh Studios. I'll add the link in the description below. I downloaded the files and threw them to Bamboo Slicer. I oriented the files in one direction, but I didn't like the print time, and so I adjusted it and flipped it around and added some more supports and then sent it over to the printer. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. Took a few hours using this new Sunlu purple silk filament on final line, but once it was complete, it looked like this. Next up was printing the stem for the fruit. Here's what the final project looks like.